I think the highlight of the meeting yesterday, which was very much biology driven, was that there is really a lot of interest and gain in 3D modeling, which I think is kind of interesting because the question, we always have the discrepancy between the in vitro situation where cells actually don't proliferate and die within hours, and that's where we have to do our analysis on, and we have this in vitro models, but it's kind of difficult if it really resembles the lymph node environment in the patient. So I think the 3D modeling really helps to better actually have modeling what's really happening in the lymph node, which is very important since we starting to realize that the resistance that we get on this novel agent presumably all happen in the lymph node environment where you get this more resistance, high resistance. Another interesting topic I think that we're also working on in Amsterdam is this link we start to see between metabolism, whether the metabolism of the CLL cells is influenced by the microenvironment, and whether metabolism is kind of a key in-between pathway between resistance, the development of resistance, genetics, and pressure for therapy.